In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Salesforce with Security Token. 5 minutes. If you've ever tried connecting an external app or an API to Salesforce and hit a login error, you probably need a security token. Think of the token as an extra lock on your account that proves the login is coming from you, especially when you're signing in from an unfamiliar network or a non-browser tool. First, sign into Salesforce as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and open your profile menu. From there, go to Settings. In the Personal section, find the option labeled Reset My Security Token. Open that page, then click the button to generate a new token. Salesforce will immediately email you a fresh, case-sensitive, alphanumeric token. Keep in mind, generating a new token will invalidate any old tokens, so any integrations using the old one will need the update. Now, head to your email inbox and watch for a message from Salesforce with your new token. If it's not there within a minute, check your spam or promotions folders. When you find it, copy the token exactly as shown. It's case-sensitive and every character matters. Treat this like a secret. Don't share it publicly or store it in unsecured places. Next, go to the login screen of the external application or API you're connecting to Salesforce. In the username field, enter your Salesforce username. In the password field, enter your regular Salesforce password immediately followed by the security token, with no spaces in between. To be clear, you don't type the token in a separate field, and you don't add a space, just your password, directly followed by the token as one continuous string. After you submit, the app should authenticate successfully using the combined password and token. If you run into issues, double-check that you copied the full token, confirm capitalization, and ensure there are no extra spaces. Also remember, this method is specifically for tools that use the username and password approach. Many modern integrations use OAuth instead, which won't require your token. And if you can't find the Reset My Security Token option, your organization might have it disabled, or you might be using single sign-on. Reach out to your Salesforce admin for guidance. That's it. You've generated a fresh security token, retrieved it safely, and used it to log in through an external application. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.